The 20-minute secret to more youthful skin. We can't stop the process of aging. It goes on, no matter what we try to do. But there are ways that can help us improve the quality of our life and suppress the visible signs of aging like gray hair and wrinkles. The most important thing to do after you walk in your 40s is to change the way you eat. Your nutrition has to be less of processed foods that are packed with fats and sugars, and more of fresh fruits and vegetables that will supply your body with more vitamins and minerals. Other important thing is to be friends with water. Water is essential for good look of your skin. If your skin is dehydrated, it will be dry and more sensitive and more prone to wrinkles. The third important thing is to always keep your skin hydrated. It doesn't matter if you are using high-quality creams or simple natural ingredients, cream always hydrate your skin. There is one more thing, all-natural treatment that will improve the condition of your skin and remove all the wrinkles. It is so cheap and yet so effective. You will be amazed by the look of your skin. No, it is not magic, it is flax seeds. Flax seeds water face treatment for youthful skin. These amazing seeds contain amazing properties for the skin. They work on improving the structure of the tissues under the skin, improve the function of the sebum, and improve the elasticity of the skin, especially around eyes. This is very simple treatment. You will need nothing more than 20 minutes to do it, and regular use will show amazing results in 2 weeks. To prepare the treatment, put a spoonful of flax seeds in a plate and pour 1/3 of a cup of boiling water over. Mix it for a while, and then cover with a paper napkin. Let it all stand still up to the evening. Then strain the liquid from the mixture. You will get something like thick watery liquid. That is what you will need. Wash your face, and then get a clean cotton pad, soak it in the liquid, and apply on your face. Wait for it to dry and apply one more time. You need to repeat this 5 times. And that is all. You need to repeat this every day for 2 weeks. You will be amazed with the results. This treatment with flax seeds water has amazing benefits on the skin. It can lift, tone, and strengthen the skin. The treatment will prevent formation of the acne and pimples on the face. It can also be amazing skin exfoliate. This flax seed water mask can lower the sebum of the oily skin and shrink the pores. The treatment hydrates the skin and slows down the formation of wrinkles and eliminates the smaller lines on the face because of the properties to intensively slow the aging process.